Hey guys, it's your girl Kaira here, and as you guys remember my last video collab with Abhishek from Tech Dreams, I won the 30-minute PC building challenge, and as a reward I got these RGB fans by Coolmoon, and today I will be RGBfying my PC, so let's see how things work. So guys, I've finally done RGBfying my PC. Just look at it, it looks so amazing. Thank you so much Abhishek for providing me these RGB fans. I just love it. And guys, if you want to buy these fans, you can check out the link in the description. Also, you can check out the links to my social media as well as Abhishek's YouTube channel in my description. Also guys, do make sure to tune into my streams. I stream every day at 8:30 p.m. So make sure to join me. Bye bye.